World's #1 foil shaver brand. Official electric shaver of the NFL. For Series 3 new generation cruzer clean shave. Shaver head should be replaced every 18 months. Replacing your razor head gives a 25% better shave. For optimum performance, clean regularly. The replacement head gets your shaver back to 100% performance and a closer shave. Get your shaver back to 100% performance with the Braun Series 332B replacement head. Braun recommends changing your shaver's blades every 18 months to maximize shaving performance and comfort. With this shaver head you will get back to the superior close shave you have come to expect from Braun. Packaging may vary. Top reviews from the United States. Very comfortable shave. I bought a brand X at the end of February. It seemed to always be tugging at my facial hair. Not this one. The genuine Braun is so comfortable, you can't even feel it cutting the whiskers. And it's very close as well. Not as close as a blade, but it's not a blade. I am happy with this one.